Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up auto-tiling and alternative tiles in Godot. Let's start by looking at the tile sprite. Here we have a watered dirt tile set. Now imagine placing just one tile on the grid, all by itself. What happens if you add another tile above it, or below it? Then what if you move left or right? Now imagine combining movements, going left, then up, or maybe placing 4 tiles in a square. Each of these patterns creates a different connection and needs a matching tile graphic. That means your tile set should include all common combinations you expect players to create. Once your sprite is ready, let's switch over to Godot and set things up. First, open your project and go to your tile set resource. Now open the Terrains tab on the left. Click the plus icon and create a new terrain. Let's call it Watered Dirt. Open Tile Sets and select your imported tile set. Then switch to the Paint tab and choose Terrain and Paint Properties. Select your terrain and paint all watered dirt tiles. Here's where the auto-tiling setup really happens. For each tile, you'll see a 3x3 grid. That's the bitmask editor. The center square is your current tile. The surrounding squares represent directions. Up, down, left, right, and diagonals. Checking a box means this side connects to the same terrain. Leaving it empty means there's nothing there. So go through each tile and fill in the boxes based on how that tile should connect. If it's a tile that sits between two others, like a vertical connector, just check the top and bottom. If it's a corner, check one side and one diagonal. And if it's fully surrounded, check all boxes. At first, I made the classic mistake, only checking up, down, left, and right. But nope, you gotta think in all 8 directions, even the weird corners. Don't ignore the diagonals, they have feelings too. This can take a little time, but it's the key to smooth auto-tiling. Once you're done painting bitmasks for each tile, you're ready to try it out. Go to your tile map, select the terrain tool, and start painting. Godot will automatically choose the right tile depending on what's around it. Pretty cool, right? Now let's add some alternative tiles to make things look more natural. Say you've got a few tiles that all connect the same way, but have different decorations. One has rocks, one has a flower, and one is plain dirt. In the Tile Set editor, right-click a tile and choose Add Alternative Tile. Now both tiles are grouped together. Repeat this for each variation you want. Go back to the Paint tab and assign all those tiles to the same terrain index. This way, Godot knows they all belong to the same connection type. Next, open the Probability tab. Here you control how often each variation appears. Set higher probability for common tiles and lower for rare ones like rocks or flowers. Then when you paint in the tile map, Godot will randomly switch between the variations. This adds randomness and natural diversity to your scene without you doing extra work. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit like and consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching and happy game dev!